Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite makeup products. Why, you ask? I cannot find my regular makeup. So I've been slowly but surely collecting that makeup back via purchasing it, and I'd like to show you some of my favorite products today. Let me know in the comments, do you have like your regular makeup that you use, and then you kind of have like the extra stuff that you bought that you thought you'd use but you don't use, but you still keep it because you might use it? I've been using some of that, and that was not working for me at all. It was not good. So I went out and had to get a lot of new makeup. One of the things though that I've had for a while and I wanted to share with you is this All Over Concealer by Lancome. I don't know about you guys, but I am 44 and I can start to see some lines like under my eyes. A lot of the times I'll see like little creases, and a lot of makeup that I've tried just kind of goes in the creases. This makeup actually like fills, I don't know if it fills it or just doesn't make them to begin with, but this makeup, I'll get close. As you can see, I don't have a bunch of creases in there, and this really helps. It's like the only concealer that I can use now, because the rest of them just makes me look like I have lines under my eyes, and that's not okay because I'm still 29 at heart. So that's my first one. The next thing that I had to re-get is Clinique moisturizer. Now, I did not actually purchase this at Ulta, which I purchased a lot of these items from, but I purchased this off of, actually I think I purchased it off of Amazon, but this is my favorite moisturizer. It is Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer, and it really, it's a nice moisturizer. It makes your face feel moisturized. When you wake up in the morning, you can still feel that you have a nice moist, your skin's still nice and moist. It does help with some fine lines and things like that. So it is definitely, if you're looking for an all-over moisturizer for your face, if you have sensitive skin or acne-prone skin, this is perfect. It works great. The next thing I got, because I am a little bit concerned about facial wrinkles, I was watching a review of Sunday Riley. Let me know in the comments if you know about Sunday Riley. But I purchased a trial size of the CEO 15% Vitamin C Serum. So it's right here. There we go. And this is supposed to help with the fine lines and wrinkles by kind of like plumping your skin up a little bit. So I'm going to use this for a little bit and let you know how it turns out. In addition, I also purchased the Sunday Riley Ice. And again, this was another one I'd seen on a review that was supposed to help diminish the fine lines and wrinkles that you get over time. If you know anything about any of these products, or if you've reviewed them, please leave that in the comments because I'd like to know what your thoughts are. I have another product that I purchased that's on its way. I'll let you know about it later, but it's actually supposed to like tighten your skin and kind of get rid of some of the baggier parts like crow's eyes, and I have hooded eyes, and my hoods wanna dangle down too far sometimes. So I'm hoping that this will help. So the next thing I want to show you is my favorite, well, it's not my favorite eyeliner, but it is one of my favorites. It's Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner, and I got that in black, and then I also got it in brown. I then, because I didn't have any mascara, I didn't have mascara in with my like makeup that I bought that I don't use because like I use my mascara. So I got this voluminous Feline mascara by L'Oreal. That is the mascara that I'm wearing today. If you want to check out my eyelashes, here they are. There's my eyelashes. Now for the items that I got at Sephora. First of all, my concealer was gone. I actually kept this in my purse while we were moving because I didn't want it to get lost. I love it so much. But that I just use like around my eyes and like my nose and chin a little bit. This is all over foundation. It's Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I absolutely love this stuff. If you haven't seen my review on Bare Minerals, I will link it in the description. I definitely suggest that you check it out. So this comes in a nice little package here. And I did get 01 Fair, which it's actually a little bit lighter than my skin tone, which I didn't realize anything could be lighter than my skin tone because I have pretty fair skin. But it's just a little bit lighter. I just put it on fairly light. I have it on right now. And I know the lighting isn't the best, so you can't see it very well, but we'll be filming in my YouTube room next time. I'm just kind of in the dining room right now. But I love this stuff. It comes in a pump, so you just pump it out or pump it on your finger or on your beauty brush or whatever. And this stuff works miracles for people that have acne-prone skin. It does not make you break out. It feels great on your skin. It doesn't feel like you're really even wearing anything, which I really like because I don't like the feeling of foundation on my skin. It feels gross. So to go with the foundation and also my powder, I did purchase this makeup brush. Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush. Anti-aging infused bristle hair. So this is supposed to have bristle hair infused with anti-aging peptides and collagen. So that's what it looks like in the package. Do I believe bristles that are covered in collagen and all that can actually anti-age? No, I don't. I liked the shape of the brush, so let me show you. So the brush is flat and it's fairly dense, which I really like myself a good dense flat brush for applying, you know, like the powder or smoothing out your liquid foundation. With the Bare Minerals, the minerals do need to be heated up a little bit, so you just kind of swirl and it's nice. And I like to use it just to kind of blend everything out every once in a while. The last 4 things I got were eyeliner, and I will swatch these on my hand for you. I am a huge fan of metallic eyeliner. I love to put it right by my eye right here. And my favorite color that I like to use is like a blue with like a little bit of glitter in it, which I did just order some because I have lost that as well. While I was at Ulta, I did pick out a few different eyeliners that are also like, they double as like an eyeshadow. So I will show you those and I'll swatch them on my hand and you can decide if you like the colors or not and want to purchase them yourselves. I did open these up because I used them this morning before I started talking to you guys because I wanted to get ready. The first one is a lovely shade of purple. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a light purple color. I did use that on my eyes today, like on the lids and then just around the outside a little bit. The other shade I got was this awesome brighter green color. Okay, can you see that okay? Yeah, you can see it. So there's the green, the purple's below it. The green has a nice light shimmer to it. If I could have found this color, but in light blue, oh, I would be in heaven right now. But I did find some close to it. I also got some white, and I really like the white because it just goes on. So that's really nice. I might even try it for like sculpting a little bit or wherever you put the highlighter. I don't know. Boop my nose. Boop. Yeah. How does that look? Just kidding. Hang on. Hopefully you can't see that anymore. And then the last color I got is this lovely green color. It's kind of a seafoamy green. And that is that color right down there. So it's kind of a brighter green color. And those are some of my favorite makeup items. If you haven't left a comment yet, please leave a comment on something. I've asked you several questions throughout the video, so I love your feedback. And then also let me know what are some of your favorite products. I would love to know in the comments. With that being said, I want to thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.